Make that tape.
Yeah, and say we're gonna color it.
Make color it.
Yeah. Also, guys, sorry for my bad hair. But, are you ready to, whoa. Are you ready to just get started?
Yeah.
Let's just get started then. Okay, guys, so Olive just got done, put your hands up, using the flour, and she used her soap as a napkin. So, I think we're just gonna leave her. She's a baker, you know, you're fine. Ooh, you mix it, girl.
Yeah.
Or should we do green?
I want to do that.
You want to do yellow? Okay. Now squeeze it over this. Over the bowl.
I'm done.
Paper is like melted into them.
That's dreamy. I like that.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna put these cupcakes right on there. Do one. Too hot?
Yeah. I want pizza.
You're so funny.
I want to do that. Cupcake. Huh?
Okay, Olive.
Want it? Are you being a little belly button?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Make sure to like this video down below.
Now low,
Subscribe down below.
down low,
And turn on post notifications.
not two.
Also, while you're at it,
Down,
don't forget to comment.
comment.
Hey, I love you.
I love you.